it's Sibel from U-BRAID-IT, and I'm going to take a few minutes to talk about and demonstrate our braider's take-up reel and the attached Mecate braiding accessory. The take-up reel and the Mecate accessory are two tools that you can purchase separately. The take-up reel attaches to the Mecate accessory by means of two bolts. It's very easy, so you can remove it and put it back on very easily if you decide you don't need the Mecate accessory. Okay, so here I have a Mecate that is in the Mecate accessory, and this does not braid for you. A lot of people ask, does it do the braiding for you? No, it doesn't do the braiding for you. You still have to hand braid it, but what it does is it makes it so that your cords don't tangle all up. You can see that I've got these tamalied up. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how I would use the Mecate accessory doing an 8-strand round braid. So and it goes in the slot in front, and you'll see how it keeps it nice and separated down below, because that's the most frustrating part when you're braiding, is pretty much these cords getting tangled up. You spend half your time untangling the cords down below. Now I am demonstrating this with an 8-ply yarn, but it is designed to hold the 2-ply. So when you do the 12-strand Mecate, it really helps. And these actually go in a little easier with the 2-ply. So now all of my slots are starting to fill up in the front. At this point, I kind of like to move mine back, so you have to take them out and move them to the back. Like so. I really love this tool because it helps you to see your braid better. It helps to, I think, to help eliminate any mistakes. And then once I get down further, I can just crank my take-up reel up. I'm not braiding, haven't braided far enough down yet to do that. Let me take it out and show you. So here it is, and now I'm going to take it up. And you can mount this to your table. I have a clamp to hold it. You can screw it into your table, but I wouldn't want to do that to this table, but you can do that to your work table. It's portable. I can just undo it and carry it along with me. So then when I stop my braid, you can see that the accessory actually helps hold it all together, which is also a really nice feature, because I don't have to worry about my braid coming undone. It's just held there nicely.